With its blend of high-quality imaging, user-friendly features, and versatility, Sony ZV E10 is poised to be a game-changer in the world of vlogging and content production. In this review, we'll delve into the key features and capabilities that make it a must-have for creatives looking to elevate their work. The Sony ZV E10 boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it the perfect companion for content creators on the go. Its ergonomic grip and intuitive button layout ensure comfortable handling, whether you're shooting handheld or using a tripod. At the heart of the ZV E10 is a large APS-C sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. It captures stunning 24.2 megapixel photos and 4K video with impressive detail and clarity. Whether you're capturing vibrant vlogs, striking portraits, or breathtaking landscapes, the ZV E10 excels in delivering professional-grade results. You can achieve sharp and detailed images, even in low light. It also has a variety of features for photographers, such as IAF, real-time tracking AF, and a wide range of creative shooting modes. The ZV E10 can record 4K video at up to 30p and full HD video at up to 120p for slow-motion footage. It also has a number of features that are specifically designed for vlogging, such as background defocus mode and product showcase mode. The camera features a fully articulating touchscreen display that can be flipped around to face the front, making it easy to frame shots and check your appearance while recording. This makes it incredibly easy for vloggers and content creators to frame themselves accurately while recording, ensuring that every shot is perfectly composed. Good video quality is incomplete without high-quality audio. The ZV E10 features a 3-capsule microphone that captures clear and immersive sound. It also includes a windscreen to minimize wind noise when shooting outdoors. Additionally, the camera has a microphone input for those who want to use an external microphone for even higher quality audio. The ZV E10 uses Sony's E-mount lens mount, which gives you access to a wide range of lenses from Sony and third-party manufacturers. This means you can choose the perfect lens for your needs, whether you're shooting close-ups, wide shots, or anything in between. The ZV E10 has a number of features that make it easy to vlog, such as a fully articulating touchscreen display, a built-in directional microphone, and a windscreen. It also has a number of vlogging-specific settings that you can customize to get the perfect look for your videos. Here are some of the key features of the Sony ZV E10 that make it a great camera for vloggers and content creators. Product Showcase. When the Product Showcase setting is activated, the camera will quickly and automatically shift focus from your face to a product held in front of the camera, without the need to place your hand behind the product to shift the focus to it. Background defocus and bokeh. The ZV E10's wide aperture lens and advanced autofocus system allow for beautiful background defocus and creamy bokeh in your videos. This aesthetic quality helps your subjects stand out prominently, adding depth and visual appeal to your content. Real-time eye autofocus. Technology inherited from Sony's high-end cameras, this feature ensures that your subject's eyes remain in sharp focus, even when they're in motion, or the camera is changing angles. It's a game-changer for achieving professional-looking video with minimal effort. Focus transition. With the ZV E10, focus speed can be customized to fit the mood, for a more impressive look. The camera lets you choose from 7 different speeds, from a quick transition to a more leisurely one. Image stabilization. For those moments when you're shooting handheld, the ZV E10's image stabilization technology shines. It allows you to maintain steady shots without the need for bulky stabilizing equipment, giving you greater freedom and flexibility in your creative process. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: fully articulated screen, great battery life, excellent autofocus, easy to use. Reasons to skip: no in-body stabilization, rolling shutter, jello effect. Overall, the Sony ZV E10 is a great choice for vloggers and content creators who want the flexibility of interchangeable lenses and the best possible video quality. It's also a good camera for photographers who want a compact and lightweight camera with excellent image quality and a variety of features. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.